all today? I hope you're having a really good day. Today we're doing another what is in my bag, but today it's going to be what's in my gym bag. This is my bag. It's actually pretty heavy. I have a lot of stuff in here, and I'll be honest, I haven't even really checked what I have in here, so this should be a surprise even to me. I haven't cleaned this in months. I'm a little scared to see what I have in here. This bag is from Gymshark. I am going to link everything in the info box. I now have a like to know it shop, which is basically where you can find everything that I talk about in my videos, like all of my clothing, my outfits, or if they're sold out, sometimes I add in something that is similar that I recommend. It just makes it easier. It consolidates everything into a shop so you can just shop directly. Let's just get right to it. All right, so I'm gonna start off with a pre-workout. Normally I do drink a double shot of espresso before the gym, but lately I have been drinking Alani Nu. Usually have one of these right before the gym. I'm not getting paid by this, but I will say that this is PR. They sent me like a box, probably like every couple months, and I actually genuinely enjoy these. I'm not just saying this. These give me a good boost, and they're like one of the best energy drinks I've had personally, because usually I get the jitters and I get a bit too caffeinated, really. I would never recommend something that I don't like. All right, so in the side pockets, I have sunscreen. I have these in my car, in my gym bag, because sometimes I go out running, so it's nice to have that in my bag. I just, apply sunscreen. So I have these. These are great. It's just the Waterproof by Misha, the Waterproof Sun Milk. This is the hyaluronic acid watery sun gel from Isntree. This is almost done actually, but I have these in the side pocket. Let's see, wow. So I have my Hydro Flask, just has a bunch of stickers and shit. I've had this for, there's still water from earlier. It's the Hydro Flask brand. I've just had it for years actually, and I use it for the gym. It's my gym bottle. Oh, these are great. These are essential for me for leg day. It just helps stabilize the knee. This is from Gym Reapers. I also slept 4 hours last night, so I feel like I'm running on I feel like I'm a little delirious. We're here. And I did legs this morning actually, so I'm a little like pooped. These are fantastic. I got these years ago from Amazon. But again, these help with my squats. I love me some squats. I only wear these on leg day or deadlift day. Yeah, they're great. I also have an old Dodgers hat, which I never wear, but I think I have it in here just in case I need a hat. I didn't even know that was in there. Yeah, it smells like sweat. I have a bandana. I have no idea why. Maybe I should leave this out here. I don't know why. This is another essential. This is called the dip belt. I use this for my pull-ups and for my tricep dips. So I add plates to this. I love like those kind of exercises, right? Where you're using your body weight. Well, in this case, you're using plates, and it's just, I don't know, there's something about that, something primal, I feel, when it comes to like lifting yourself up with some like weights dangling down, like the big ass plates. It just feels good. Well, I mean, it doesn't feel great, but it feels cool. So yeah, I bring my own from my home. Maybe I'll add some clips of me using this. I'll look at my camera roll, but I use this, again, pull-ups, triceps. I used this yesterday. My triceps are sore as fuck. I have a brand new pack. I was looking for this. This is a headband that I never opened. I want this for when I do my skincare at night. But it's a headband. I had one of these in green for years and I lost it. So I got this in black, Amazon. And then I also have wrist straps, which I actually don't use. Cool. These help stabilize the wrist. Again, I should wear these. I'm glad I'm filming this video because now I already know what I have. Then I have this, which is also Gym Reapers. This is my belt for squats. It just helps stabilize your core. I use this for squats and deadlifts, and it helps me not curve my back or arch my back. I tend to squat pretty heavy, so this is essential for me as well. Like I could squat without this, but I feel like it's not the same. Then I have these that I never use. These are bands to warm up, but honestly, I don't use these. And then I have another pair of wrist straps. Maybe I'll give these away. I have an old nutrition bar. That's trash. Then I have a notebook, which is washed out, probably got wet from everything. I used to be old school and write everything in my notebook, like meet me at workouts, but now I just do everything on my phone. I just have all the workouts here. I have a pen. Oh, and then I have this, which is, I used to use this for CrossFit. So I don't know if you guys remember, I used to do CrossFit. I did it for about 9 months. This was great. It was just tape around the, for grip. So, and yeah, that's it. That's what's in my gym bag. I'm gonna throw everything in here and put everything back. But before that, I do want to talk about supplements that I take because I think that's something you might be interested in. I've gotten a few questions on Instagram because sometimes I'll post my supplements. So I believe that, you know, if you eat healthy or relatively healthy, then you don't necessarily need vitamins, any extra supplements. Like, that's what supplements are. It's supplementation, right? So you should already be consuming those nutrients with your food, right? I typically eat like 80-20, so I eat healthy for the most part. I try to keep my diet as like a whole foods diet, but I do have, like last night I had Papa John's. So it's like, for me, it helps not only physically, but mentally as well to have that balance. So I don't take a multivitamin, but I do take certain things. For example, maca, this is great. It helps with energy levels, it helps with mood, it helps with endurance, especially when it comes to like working out and fitness. It helps with stamina. It also helps with a healthy libido, which, not that I need help with libido, but it helps with that if you're interested. It also helps with concentration, memory. So I take this every day. I have those little vitamin trays, so it helps me every morning. It's just a habit. So I have this as an AM supplement, followed by vitamin B complex and a vitamin D complex. And I also take fish oil pills, but I ran out, so I have to place an order tonight. I had to go get my creatine. I also take this every single night. Creatine has helped my lifts so much. Every single night, I raw dog this, just take a scoop right before bed. It's a habit, which I want to start taking this during the day, because you can take this any time of the day. But I do notice that this makes me go to the bathroom in the middle of the night, makes me go pee, because you do retain water with this. So I notice I pee every night. Like, I wake up at 3 in the morning every single day with this. Nonetheless, I take a scoop every single night. Creatine helps, again, with the lifts. It helps with my performance, my endurance. It helps with muscle growth. I don't want to bore you with all of the benefits of creatine, but yeah, I suggest if you go to the gym and you lift. The camera died, so I had to get a new battery pack. I don't know where I left off. I was talking about creatine and how good that is. Yeah, that concludes today's What's in My Bag. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm gonna go ahead and place everything back in my bag and probably take a nap, honestly. I don't know if I look tired, but I feel like a nap is needed. What are some of your gym essentials? Let me know. And if you wanna follow me on my Instagram for outfit posts and workouts, go follow me if you'd like. It's at JairWoo. And thanks for those of you that are new here, for watching, for commenting. I appreciate it so much. And yeah, take care. I will see you in the next video. Adios.